Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve practice question for angles relationship in circle. So we need to calculate the angle of ABD. Okay, ABD. AB is the diameter. Okay, here's the diameter to the chord. Okay, it's gonna be 90 degree here. It's a right angle to the tangent. Next, opposite of if they are all in the circumference. So A, this angle. So B CD plus by BAD equal to 180 degree. So if this is 125 degree, so angle of BAD, okay, the angle of BAD we minus by 125 both sides. So we got as 55 degree. So here is 55 degree. We got one triangle. So it's angle of A plus angle of D plus by angle of, okay, let's say this is B. They are 180 degree. We got 55 degree. This right angle 90 degree. Okay, let's make it clear. A B D 180 degree. So the angle of A B D, you can just minus it, all of them by 55 degree minus by 55 degree minus by 90 degree, also minus by 90 degree. So we will got as 35 degree. Next, okay, the tangent here is will make as 90. So let us find here the angle of POS. So 180 degree minus by 90 degree minus by 29 degree. So 180 minus by 90 and then we minus by 29. So here is gonna be 61 degree. Okay, as this is 61 degree, here also is gonna be 61 degree as they are vertically opposite. And here also, as let's make it, this is x, here also x. So 2x plus by 61 plus by 61 is gonna be round point, which is 2x plus by 122 equal to 360 degree. So we can make it 360 degree. We can minus by 122 both of side. So 2x gonna be 362 minus by 122, 238. Okay, only one angle here, x. We divide by 2 both of side, gonna be 119. Okay, here is the isosceles triangle. So if we would like to find it TPR, so first let's find it here, this angle. So let's count as y. So 2y plus by 119 equal to 180. So we minus by 119 both of side. So 2y equal to, we got 180 minus by 119, we got 61. So the y we divide by 2 both of side, divide by 2 is gonna be 30.5. okay, 30.5. If we would like to find the angle of TPR, okay, TPR plus by RPQ, the R is the right angle. Okay, the right angle, so 90 degree. So angle of TPR plus by 30.5 equal to 90 degree. Okay, we can minus by 30.5 degree both of side. So the angle of TPR is gonna be 90. Okay, we minus by 30.5, so we got 59.5 degree. Okay, number 7. Okay, let's find it. Angle BAC. Okay, look at it. They are parallel, so they are alternate angle. So here also gonna be 22 degree. They are alternate angle. Next, angle ABC. A, B, and C. Okay, if they are all in the corner, so here opposite, the total is 180. So 64 plus by angle of ABC equal to 180 degree. So we can just minus by 64 both of sides. So angle of ABC equal to 116 degree. 116 degree. Next, ACB. ACB. Okay, here ACB. Okay, let's here is 22. Here is 116. So the total of the triangle going 180 degree. So you got 22 degree plus 116 degree plus by angle of ACB equal to 180 degree. So you got 116 plus by 22 is 138 degree plus ACB equal to 180 degree. Okay, we minus by 180 both of sides. Not 138. 138 degree, also 138 degree. So we will got ACB equal to 42 degree. Okay, number 8. Here's the information that we got. So we need to find the angle of M, N, and then S. Okay, so this angle M and S. Okay, here is the tangent from N. So is this gonna be 90 degree? Let's take a look of the information that we can get from here. Okay, here's the chord. Here is as the center. 56. Okay, here we made as 90 degree. So we will need to find the angle of M and S. There is no sign if they are M and S. Okay, can see from here. Okay, so if this is 18, okay, so it's gonna be the 90 degree, the right angle. So we can count it, this angle first, minus by 80, so it's 72, whole line, if this is 72, so 180 minus by 72 is 108, as they are isosceles. So 108, okay, 180 minus by 108, then we divide by 2, so here is 36 and 36. As this is tangent, so we can just find it by 90 right angle minus by 36 degree. So we got as the angle of 56 degree. Next, MOQ. Where is M? Sorry, apologize. MOQ. M Yeah, here M, O, and Q is 36. So 90 minus by 36. I see there is some mistake before. So if this is 18, yeah, we cannot make it like that way. So here, as we know, it's, yeah, not always as right angle. So if this is, we can, yeah, double. Look at it. This angle, the center is twice as 56. So we can make it 56 times by 2. So it's 112. And here is isosceles, so 180. We minus by 112. 68 divided by 2. So it's gonna be 34. Here also 34. Okay, this is as 90 degrees, so 90 we minus by 34. So 90 minus by 34, yeah, it's 56. Okay, I got it. Apologize for the little bit confusion. Next, this is line angle, which is 180. So 180 degree, we can just minus by 112. So 180 degree minus by 112. So here is 68 degree. Next, let's find it P and T. Okay, here reverse P and T. Okay, here is 34. So let us take a look the information that we can get it from here. So it's gonna be 16. Okay, if this is 68, we got one triangle equal to 180. So we got 18 degree plus 68 degree, and let's find this angle, the angle of MQN equal to 180 degrees. So the angle of MQN, we got 180. Here 180 we minus by 18 and minus by 68. It's gonna be 94 degree. Let's find it another angle here, angle of P, Q, and N. So this is one line, 180. So 180 we minus by 94. 180 minus by 94. The angle is gonna be 86 degree. So it's gonna be 86 degree. Okay, this angle, the total of triangle 180 degree, we minus by 56 degree minus by 86 degree equal to P and Q. P and Q. So we got 180, we minus by 56 minus by 86. So it's gonna be 38 degree. Okay, as this is tangent, it's gonna be 90 degree. So we can just make it 90 degree minus by 38 degree. It's gonna be the angle of P and T. So 90 degree minus by 38 degree. So here's gonna be 52 degree. Okay, here's the last question. So the tangent. Okay, so if the tangent, here is the total gonna be make as 90 degree. So we need to giving also the reason. Okay, first find it angle of NDF. NDF. Look at it. They are parallel as to the center. So here this angle and DF, here this angle 40 and Yeah, here is the alternate angle. So we can write it. Here is 40. The reason is alternate segment, also theory. And EF also. Okay, here the alternate segment theorem. So we can just answer it as 40 degree. Here is the alternate segment theorem. Okay, I think that I need to fix it. Segment alternate. Here is segment. Next, let's find it. DFN. Where is DFN? Okay, this angle we need to find it. So this is angle of the semicircle. So we can find it as DFN angle is 180 we minus by 90 degree plus by here 90 degree plus by 40 degree. So we got as here 50 degree. Here is the angle sum of triangle. So DFN DFN is gonna be 50 degree. Here, write it here, 50 degree. Here is the reason. There it is. Thank you.